The 119MAX air hammer is built on the hard-working and respected foundation laid by the 118MAX. The results are light, quiet, and powerful air hammer that delivers incredible levels of performance and power at a cost that won't punish your wallet. Great for exhaust and front-end jobs, general bolt cutting, pin driving, and body shearing work. The 119MAX is finely tuned and crafted so you can tackle your everyday jobs in the toughest environments. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Size and weight. 18% shorter and 5% lighter than the previous model 118MAX. Number 2. Vibration. The anti-vibration mechanism reduces tool vibration by over 30% when compared to standard air hammers. Number 3. Comfort grip. Shock reduction and anti-slip grip. Number 4. Quick change retainer. Provides fast chisel changeovers, included with tool. Number 5. Swivel Air Inlet. Prevents hose twisting during use. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.